Slow down for a second. And loosen something. Okay, well then, everybody can sit down kind of on the front.
That's gonna bend.
You got a board?
No.
Goodness, I'm cutting into my hand. How far are you?
I have one bolt.
You get it? Yeah. Right now it's just crushing into my hand, so whatever, it's good.
Better? Yep. Okay, so we're just gonna stand it up like this.
More squirrels.
Yep. Trip over anything.
And slide out. Yep.
Perfect. Wiper blade. So if you're curious how to get these off, they have this clip here. You pry this clip back, like so. Do it with like a mini screwdriver, and then just get under the pry bar, boop, pops off. Beautiful. All right, so we gotta get the cowl off. Cowl. What size is it? 30 small. 8 maybe. Windshield cowl. There's a mouse right there. There's a family of mice right here. Mouse tail right there. Boop, boop. They think they're safe. Mouse relocation. I missed him. I can't have him go out the other side. That's the problem. Like, I can't have him go out the other way. I can't have him in here. Oh. Okay, don't worry, little guys. I'll take care of it. I'll get this sorted out. So I gotta get the fenders off. I have mice in my firewall. There'll probably be a knot on the back side of this. Oh, you know, probably be a nut on the back side of this. Oh yeah, I want their big. There's a nut on the back side of this bolt. Through the fender. Oh my god. Feel sure.
There he is.
Where is he?
Right there.
Okay, well.
If you do it quick, you can probably catch him with the box. There you go.
He was pissed.
There's the other one.
I think he's in here, honestly. Hold on. Hold on. Buddy, are you still in here? Alright. Alright, so I'm going to get trans cooler out. So I'm going to take out these, and then this, as you can see, is barely hanging on by a thread. I think they're 116, so it could be. It's got rubber line up top, which is good. Or it's just so flimsy. It's so flimsy. It's not flimsy. It's a good one. That one was. Not the new shoes! It really wasn't a test. Sorry. Pour support out. So just like that, all that's left is the cab. Easy access to everything though, look at this. There's a mouse living in my firewall, I gotta sort that out, but other than that, magic, all right. I was actually gonna add this into the other video, but we've been here a while, so this is actually gonna be its own little thing, taking the whole front clip off. So if you like this video, hit the like button down below, subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.